make sure that we are doing all the things in order to help you lift that boat anchor away from utilizing international labor that's available and that's affordable and that's treated well and in the right culture with the right team and the right staff at the right time. So here's the BBC Global difference. Here's what we do differently than anybody else. Number one, no setup fees or long-term contracts. I think that's important. Here's another one, staffing in our offices that are HIPAA compliant. Also HIPAA compliant certifications. Employee placement guarantees, meaning no charge if we need to replace a new employee to find a new one. No additional fees beyond the hourly rate. We have offices obviously in India, Philippines, Mexico, Canada, US. Our HIPAA compliant offices are all in the Philippines. We utilize BBC Global staffing expert to be able to help you select and move through the process of crafting the right scope and setting up all of this stuff for you within your healthcare practice. We have US-based leadership team and operations staff. As you can see here, David, Michael, myself, we're all located, Alex, we're all located in the US. And so that will give you the opportunity to work with US-based leadership team in order to help with your search internationally. Here's the other thing too. We have over 22 years of experience with global staffing. I mean, if you want to work with somebody that has the experience, that's been through the trials and tribulations, the up and down, the people that have the processes worked out, the people that have cultivated the right culture. Here's another thing that BBC Global does. They have an internal manager and team lead that oversees your campaign, making sure that the performance is happening the way that it needs to. We provide assistance with procedure documentation and recordings for future reference as you continue to grow and scale your team. So we're going to help cultivate some of that for you. We have an integrated leadership model. Again, I can't stress this enough, how important it is that you're able to work directly, give feedback directly to your team member. If you want them to do something different, you hop on a Zoom call, you hop on a Skype call or whatever you use internally within your offices. And you're able to have a one-on-one virtual meeting, in face, in person, have the conversation, offer the feedback, the correctives, the suggestions on what they need to do in order to be able to accomplish the goal the way you want it accomplished. Your employees will attend your company meetings. If you have team meetings and your managers are doing a great job of facilitating a conversation and team meeting, they attend those team meetings with you. And so they get to hear the same internal vision that you're casting in order to help you hit your goals and to be on your team and your side. Here you go. No shared services. These are dedicated staff members. We don't share, you're not working, Betty doesn't work on your campaign and somebody else's campaign at the same time. They work directly for you. They're full-time staff member on your team. They just happen to be employed by BBC Global, and we provide all of the taxes and the insurance and the benefits and all of those things. They utilize your current systems. You don't have to switch systems. If you have a phone care provider, we use your phone system. We use your ERM system. We use your tools and resources in order so that the employee does it your way. And then daily reporting. These are different differentiators for BBC Global.